Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's upload will be how to achieve this gorgeous eyeshadow look. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I have placed the sellotape under my eye using the end of my eyebrow as guidance, and also I have already applied some eyelashes, and this is because I ruin it when I do it after the eyeshadow. So yeah, but right now I'm going in with the concealer, and the concealer we apply because it holds the eyeshadow product, and that is how it becomes nice and bright, because of the concealer. So I'm using this sponge to blend out the product. I usually see that the brush does not give it the nice smooth effect as much as the sponge does. So yeah, that is why I'm using the sponge. So now that I'm done with that, I am using this bright pink from Party Queen, and I'm using it as the first base color, making sure that I use my eyeball as guidance, forming the arch, but also concentrating here at the ends close to the sellotape so that it makes that nice wing or cat eye effect. Okay, done with the pink and in with the purple. So I'm going to place or apply the purple the same way I applied the pink, making sure that I concentrate on the inside of my eye close to the sellotape so as to make the wing or cat eye effect as we said earlier. So yeah. So now I'm using the concealer and this angled thin brush to clean out my eye so that it still gives me that wing effect. So now I'm taking this dark purple and I'm placing it here at the inside of my eye close to the sellotape, and that is the main focus because I wanted to have that dark to bright pink effect. So that is why we are placing it and concentrating only on the sides. Okay, now that I see it is nice and dark purple, I'm going in with my black, but I noticed that on this side it wasn't getting as dark as I wanted it to be, so I'm first applying the concealer because it will hold the product and it will show it as dark as I want it to be. I'm sure you can see the difference already. So yeah, the concealer is magic. It literally saves the day, even if you make mistakes. If you have the concealer, do not even stress, honey. So again, I'm going in with the concealer and my angled brush to clean out my look so that I have that nice winged or cat eye effect. And yeah, that is why we keep on cleaning it out. Okay, done with that, and now I am going to draw my arch using my concealer and my flat brush. So when I draw my arch, I use my own eyeball as guidance, but also making sure that it actually looks like an arch. And also the thing that I want to achieve here is making sure they look equal for both my eyes. Some people say when you look up, there's a line that forms there, and they use that as guidance, but I've noticed that when I did that, my ones didn't look equal, so I just draw it and make sure it looks like an arch using my eyeball as guidance, and that is it. Feel free to make your own rules. So on the arch, we're going to place the color white. I'm using the open brush, but I would suggest that you use a flat brush because that is how you apply the product evenly without ruining what you've already done with the pink and the dark purple. So yeah, this is actually the flat brush, and as you can see, it just puts the product where it should be. You see that it's forming the arch, and it does not ruin what you've already done. So I'm using the open brush to blend the purple in, and also just make sure that above my arch there's no product that's left there, so that it has that nice clean look. And I'm going to do the same thing for my other eye as well. So I decided to remove the sellotape, which is quite a bad idea because I will apply it later again. But I am going in with the Essence white eyeliner, and they say that this actually helps your eye pop out. It makes it look bigger. So yeah. So I'm going in with the bright pink and the dark purple to place under my eye, right under that liner. And this effect I'm so obsessed with. It is so beautiful in my opinion. So now that I'm done with that, I'm applying again my sellotape under my eye, and I find that this is a great way to guide you to draw your wing, which is what we're going to do right now. So my first video got cut because of storage, but thank God I have two eyes. So I literally draw a line on above my sellotape, and then I join it, as you can see, and then I color it in, and it is that simple. There I go, crying. Oh my gosh. My eyes are very sensitive, forgive me. I tend to cry even if it's not in my eye, honey. So I'm taking it off, I'm taking the sellotape off, and I'm sure you can see that perfect effect I was talking about. It gives you that wing effect, or cat eye, whatever you call it. But right now I'm going in with the concealer, and the concealer helps to take out any imperfections. It just helps to clean out the look so that it looks really, really perfect. So these are basically the final touches, but this is how you achieve this very simple day to night time look, eyeshadow look. So don't forget to let me know how you feel. Comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, meet you guys on the next upload. Thank you. Bye.